Chin-A-Kwie. We launched the product in 2005, produced in the United States, in the area of Miami. Okay, we have it in 2 flavors, cheese curls, cheese balls. The name of Tesi ball is like, tastes good. It tastes very good. It's one of a kind. Actually, the images of the product, the brand, is well known on the shelves, also in Europe. We export a lot of this to the European market. And the product is ready for each market, also for the area over here in Asia and in the Middle East, because we also have the Arabic label on it. Okay, we will soon launch by next month the hot and spicy curl brand. Okay, that's what it is. Thank you so much.